Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Guys, many iPhone users are complaining that recent call history is not showing up on their iPhone. So if you are also facing this problem, then keep watching this video because in today's video I'll tell you how you can fix this problem in your iPhone. So let's get started without wasting any time. So guys, to fix this issue, first, launch the settings application. Now, swipe down to see General and tap on it. Here, swipe all the way down and tap on Language and Region. And then tap Region. Here, change your country for some time and then select your country again. After changing the country, now go back to the region and select your previous country again. So guys, after doing this, now go back to the phone application and see if the recent call history is now showing or not. Guys, if the recent call history is still not showing up on your iPhone, then go back to the settings menu. Now tap General. Then tap Software Update. Here your iPhone will check Apple service for any available updates. If an update is available for your iOS device, update it. After checking this, go back to the previous menu, then tap on iPhone storage. Here, make sure your iPhone has free storage to save the call history. If your storage is full or almost full, your iPhone might not be able to log call history properly. So make sure you have enough space here. After confirming it, again go to the previous menu, scroll all the way down and tap Date and Time. Here, turn off the Set Automatically switch. Then tap on Time Zone and select the correct time zone. After that, tap the date and time to open a calendar. Then select the correct date and time. So guys, these were the 4 methods with the help of which you can solve the call history problem in your iPhone. That's it for today's video. Like, share and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching the video.